Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we are going to start the new chapter sequence in series MCQs for the engineering test. Let's come we start chapter number 4 sequence. First of all we define sequence. What is sequence? It is a function whose domain is the set of natural numbers and range is the subset of the real numbers. This is the one of the definitions. And the second one we can also define sequence. It is the collection of numbers to write some particular ways, patterns or order is known as also called sequence. And shortcut definition we can say that the arrangement of numbers to write some definite rules and order is also known as called sequence. First of all we write the definition. It is a function whose domain is the subset of real numbers, subset of positive numbers, positive integers. Positive integers means here natural numbers. And the range is the subset of real numbers. And another one definition, it is the arrangement of particular numbers to write some pattern, order is known as called sequence. And third one, it is the collection of it is the collection of numbers to write and some particular ways, patterns, order is called sequence. So also known as progression. For example, we write one of the examples. For example, if we write the first definition applied, domain and function we have already used in the first definitions. If x is any set, that is called domain. If there is the relation between x and y, so f is a function between x and y, so f of x is equal to y. X is called domain and y is called codomain. or range. It is called function. But in the sequence we can write, for example, f of x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to natural number. Here n is this formula, this is for the even number is used, number of terms for even number. If we put f of n, so first n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So we get the values f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1, so is equal to 2. If we replace n is equal to 2, so we get is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and so on. Continue the process. So that is follow some patterns. So 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Here 2 is called A1, A2, A3 and A4 up to so on. Here A1 is called first term and second term up to so on. This pattern is known as called sequence, and generally at the last term there are two types of sequence. One is infinite sequence, the other is finite sequence. And finite sequence, when the first and the last term are known, is called finite sequence. For example, this is infinite sequence. If we want to change this one, we write, for example, this one is 100, so that is called finite sequence, because the first and the last term are known. First term and last term are known, so it is finite terms. If we remove this 100, so that will be infinite. If we remove this 100, so it will be infinite sequence. Now the general term, we write the sequence for the, so we write AN is the notation, and we write AN, that is called general term or nth term. We are basically use this term AN is sequenced general term or nth term. Now we are using some arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is the first type of sequence. So for examples, A1, A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D, up to so on, A1 plus ND. Here A1 is the first term and A1 plus N1, A1 plus ND is the last term, and D is called here common difference. Here D is 1 is first term and A1, that is called denoted by AN. AN is A1 plus ND, that is last term of the sequence. So now we have write the formula for this one, AN A1 plus N minus 1D. This is the general formula for the sequence of the arithmetic series, where D is called common difference. Common difference, how we calculate? Second value minus first value, third value minus second value, and fourth value minus third value. So continue and so on. Continue this process. Now series, how we can define series? Series is the sum of the sequence is called sequence. For example, we write the above sequence. If we change into sum, we write Sn. Sn is used for the sum, and we write the word from A1 plus. In the place of comma, we used A1 plus D, A2 plus D, up to so on, plus A1 plus ND. We have already in the previous term we have used in the place of plus comma. Now we are required series, so this will be changed into sum. Every term we will change into sum. It is denoted by Sn. So we write the formula for A1 plus An. What is An? Here we have already defined A is equal to A1 plus N minus 1D. And the second formula we can write for the sum Sn is equal to N by 2 2A1 plus N minus 1D. This is the second formula we are using for the arithmetic sequence. Now we summation I is equal to 1 up to infinity, 1 divided by 2I. It means that I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. How we calculate their sum? So according to this formula, if we check here, look here, first value, if we replace 1, so sigma is means summation, so we change into plus 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2 power 3 up to so on, and the last term we write 2 power infinity. Actually this is geometric series, so because if we divide this ratio, so we will get here 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8 plus this is up to so on 1 divided by 2 power 8. So the result is equal to here, that will be equal to, what is the choice? 0, and B is equal to 1, and C is equal to minus 1, and D infinity. Now look here, A1 is called A1 and this will be second value. Now ratio is required. Ratio means second value divided by first value. This is geometric series we are using here. Second value 1 divided by 4 divided by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 4 into 2 divided by 1. Both are cancelled, we get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the common ratio. Now if we are required sum, so all this sum we could use the shortcut formula in the geometric series, A1 divided by 1 minus R. A1 is here 1 divided by 2 and R we have already, that is less than 0, that is 1 minus R we have already 1 by 5. Arithmetic mean between A and B is 60. The arithmetic mean between two numbers A and B. According to the formula of arithmetic formula we have know that arithmetic means is equal to sum of two numbers A plus B divided by 2. If we add these numbers, so what is the result? The two numbers is given that 60. That is 60 is given. It means that sum is given, sum of the two numbers is given. So if the 5 number is given, number of term, we use this formula also. Summation x divided by n means sum of the numbers divided the number of terms, the net. So we will get here 12. 12 is the correct answer here. According to this formula, arithmetic mean between 3 plus 3 under root and 3 minus 3 under root. What is the results? So what is our example here? If we take A is equal to 3 plus under root 3 and B is equal to 3 minus 3 under root. So arithmetic mean, as we know that A plus B divided by 2. If we add these two terms, so what is the result? We will get here this term and this term are cancelled. We get 6, 3 plus 3, 6, and we will get here 3. 3 is the correct answer, and here option C is the correct option. Whose range is, we have already defined in the video, in this video, in the definition. It is a function whose range is the subset of the real number. Range of if any functions of the sequence function, it is also a subset of real numbers. So here real number is option C is the correct option. It is the subset. Question number 5. A sequence is a function whose domain is the set of positive integer or natural numbers. If we here natural number are used and negative integers, negative numbers, integer, natural numbers, here natural number is the correct answer. Here domain is domain of any function is the subset of natural numbers. For 6, the general formula for 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Look here, if we find the common difference 3 minus 2, we will get 1, and 5 here 2, and here is also 2, and here is 4. There is no patterns available here. If we check the general term is, we will get here 3, but the first term is here 1, 2, and similarly if we put here 1, so we will get 1 is not available. So it means that here the correct option. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Directly if we put n is equal to 4, put directly in this option, put, if we use this trick, if n is equal to 4, so what is the result? 2, 4 and 4 plus 1, so we will get 8, 4, 5. So look here, the last term, if here is 4 by 5, that is not correct, and here is 6 by 4, that is not correct, and here 4, that is, so automatically here the correct answer is C is the correct option. How we calculate? You will guess according to from the terms. So we will put here n is equal to, sum is required 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus 100. So according to the formula, we have sum is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the sum of the natural numbers. Here n is equal to, the last term is give n. If we put here n is equal to 100 and 100 plus 1 divided by 2, this will be cancelled. 50 and 50 plus 101, if we multiply this one, we will get 50, 50. So correct option is here, D is the correct option. N minus 1j. Here look here, 2n minus 1, you judge the last term of this sequence. If we put j is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 plus minus 1, 2 plus up to so on, plus minus 1, 2 and minus 1. Here the power of n minus 2 is in odd numbers. This is odd number. Automatically we will get the answer, and odd numbers we will get -1. Now look, if we check this answer, we put n is equal to 1. So the last term is -1. We will get 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to -1. 2 minus 1 we will get -1 power 1 is equal to -1. And here the correct option -1 C is the correct answer. We have know that geometric mean and positive integers between two integers, we know that a b under root. If we put the result here 6 into 64. Here is 4 and 64. So we will get here 2 square and 8 square. We can write shortcut, and 16 square we can write. This will be cancelled, so the result will be equal to 16. 16 is the correct option according to this formula, geometric mean. If we are use this formula and greater than harmonic mean, so the option is here correct option. C is the correct option, because why? We know that the arithmetic mean is a plus b divided by 2 is greater than geometric mean ab under root is greater than, and harmonic mean divided by 2a plus b. This is the formula geometrically we have already done in the proof. So geometric mean is equal to ah. This is correct, and arithmetic mean is greater than. We have already the previous question we have done. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. So geometrically we have already done geometric is ah. So this is one of the formula. If we are applying here geometric taking square roots, so we will get the answer this one. And here is this option is also available in the B, and G is also available in the C, and it means that here D option is the correct option. D is the correct one. All A, B and C are n plus b power n. B arithmetic mean between A and B. Then what is the result? As we know that the formula between two numbers, arithmetic means we know that A plus B divided by 2. So here n is required. It means that if we put here and the exponent of A and B, put n is equal to 0, we will check this answer. If we put 0, 0 plus 1 plus b 0 plus 1 and divided by a power 0 plus b power 0, we get here a1 plus b1, and anything raised to the power we will get 1 and 1. So a plus b we will get 2. It means that we put already here we put here n is equal to 0 in this option. So the correct option is here C is the correct option, because this result gave the formula of a plus b divided by 2. Now question number 14. The third term of the expression is given n square minus 2 divided by 3. Third term is required, so if we replace in this term n is equal to 3, so we will get 3 square minus 2 divided by 3. So we get 9 minus 2 divided by 3. We get here 7 divided by 3. The third term of the sequence, third term we put in the place of n is equal to 3. 3 square minus 2 divided by 3, 3 square 9 minus 2 and 3. We get the answer 9 minus 2, 7. 7 divided by 3. Here the option B is the correct option. 1 A1 plus A2 plus, so all these summations C to C are correct answer here. So option D is correct. All of these options are correct. If we are expanding, so we will get this answer. The sum of the series 1 plus 1 by 3 and 1 plus 1 divided by 9. This is geometric series second term. If we find the common ratio if we find r is equal to 1 second term divided by first term, we will get here this is a1 and here a2, 1 divided by 3 and 1, first term is 1, we will get 1 by 3. So the last sum is required sum, and here the infinite series, so it means that we are required sum of infinity. So we write 1 a1 1 minus r. A1 is the first value, we will get here 1, and r we will already calculated. So if we take the LCM here, we will get 2 divided by 3, and this will be, we will get 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 answer is the correct option. You check here, option D is the correct option. The common ratio is also again n is the number of terms, 7 is, then general term is required. What is the general term? So first of all, if we find, and here's an is equal to, first term is given an, we write an a1 r की power n minus 1. This is geometric series, and here 7 a7 is required, a1 r is already given, 2 divided by 5 and 7 minus 1, a1 is also given, 1 2 5 divided by 8 and 2 divided by 5 की power 6. If we are expand this result, 125 divided by 8 and 2 power 6, we get 64, and 5 power 60, we write 125 125. So 125 both are cancelled to each other, and here we will get 8 and 8 64. So we get 100. 8 divided by 125 is the correct answer. Here option C is the correct option. What is the formula? an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d. So an, if we put n is equal to 10, here a10 is equal to a1 plus 10 minus 1 d. Now d is required. Here the first term is given, and the a10 is also, we put here 22, and the first term is 4, and 10 minus 1 we get 9d. So we will change this one here, 22 minus 4 is equal to 9d, and here 18 9d, dividing both sides by 9, we get here d is equal to 2. 2 is the common difference between these terms. So 15 is required, a15 is required. Again we put n is equal to 15, n is equal to 15, and this sequence term. So a15 is equal to a1 plus 15 minus 1, and d already we have found 2, and a1 is already known that 4. So 4 plus 14 into 2, we will get 4 plus 28, and if we add this one, 32 is the correct option. Here C is the correct answer. Thank you very much everybody, and welcome to everybody to subscribe my channel. Thanks once again for watching.